Are you looking for the best natural gas heaters? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best natural gas heaters on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Mr. Heater 30,000 BTU Vent-Free Blue Flame Natural Gas Heater. The Mr. Heater 30,000 BTU Vent-Free Blue Flame Natural Gas Heater is a powerful and efficient way to heat up to 1,000 square feet of space. It features a blue flame burner for even convection heat, an automatic low oxygen shutoff system, and a thermostat for automatic temperature control. Customers have praised its ability to keep their garages warm and its simple installation process. However, some have noted that it does not have a glass frame to protect from the flames, making it potentially dangerous for households with pets or young children. What we like: simple design, cost-effective operation, easy installation, efficient heating, variety of color options. What we don't like: gas odor noticeable, knob placement difficult to see. Number 2. Mr. Heater Vent-Free 20,000 BTU Natural Gas Heater. The Mr. Heater Vent-Free 20,000 BTU Natural Gas Heater is a great supplemental heating solution for even the coldest days. With a thermostat for superior temperature control and a battery-powered electronic ignition, this heater is easy to use. It can be mounted to the wall or floor and uses a clean-burning blue flame tube burner to circulate warm air. The oxygen depletion sensor ensures safety, and the heater is CSA certified. Note that it is not for use in bathrooms, bedrooms, or recreational vehicles, and has a 4,500 feet high altitude restriction. What we like: great heat output, easy installation, good value for money, silent operation, multiple heat settings. What we don't like: fan placement affects airflow, missing glass safety shield. Number 3. Dyna-Glo IR30 NMDG1 Natural Gas Infrared Wall Heater. The Dyna-Glo infrared wall heater uses natural gas and infrared technology to radiate heat and warm objects first, similar to the sun. With up to 30,000 BTUs/HR, it can heat up to 1,000 square feet. The low MEDHI variable control knob offers customizable heat settings, and no electricity is required, making it a reliable backup heating option in case of an emergency. Additionally, the separately sold optional fan, WHF100, can improve the amount of square footage the heat reaches in a quiet and powerful way, while the separately sold optional base legs, WBL100, allow for stable floor mounting. The Dyna-Glo infrared wall heater comes with a 1-year warranty. What we like: highly efficient heating, affordable price, no gas smell, easy installation, good for large spaces. What we don't like: requires manual adjustment, may take time to warm up. Number 4. Mr. Heater 10,000 BTU Natural Gas Heater. The Mr. Heater Corporation Vent-Free 10,000 BTU Radiant Natural Gas Heater is a great choice for heating up to 250 square feet of space. It features a radiant heat burner and an automatic low oxygen shutoff system, ODS, for safety. The heater comes with legs and wall mounting hardware, making it easy to install. Customers have praised the heater for its fast and easy installation, as well as its ability to quickly heat up a space. However, some customers have noted that the product does not come with a spot to mount a fan, and that it arrived with a dent. What we like: great heat output, energy efficient, easy to install, good for emergency use, affordable price. What we don't like: limited thermostat control, not usable with propane. Number 5. Mr. Heater 30,000 BTU Heater Bundle. The Mr. Heater 30K heater is designed to keep your space warm and comfortable. It features a built-in thermostat, allowing you to easily control the temperature to suit your needs. This unit offers versatility, as it can be mounted to the wall or securely attached to the floor using included brackets. Its durable construction, with multiple radiant burner tiles, provides effective heat similar to the warmth of the sun. Additionally, the factory standard oxygen depletion sensor ensures safe operation, giving you peace of mind while you enjoy cozy heat even on the coldest days. What we like: efficient heating, heat circulation improvement, compact design, low fumes. What we don't like: fan noise. Initial setting issue: